Now your certified storm-ready forecast from NBC 25.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Ahmed Badji. Now, scattered showers and a few storms are moving through the area right now. That is actually out ahead of low pressure that's going to start throwing a lot more at us through the overnight hours. Here's what's going on right now. Storm ready Doppler. You can see the showers and storms scattered but starting to kind of coalesce together as we go throughout the next few hours. The heaviest stuff is just going through Gratiot right now and also starting to head in towards Isabella County. Nothing severe, just some light thunderstorms. Now overnight tonight, there is a chance for an isolated severe threat. We've got storms overnight. That is going to happen. Potentially severe. We're outside of the slight risk, but we all know how well weather actually goes and fits well inside these defined line graphs computers make for you. So it's something that we do have to watch for, a chance for an isolated storm with winds and some small hail. Now, we are going to watch for more on Monday as well. We're not in the risk for that yet. That's something we're going to have to watch for to see if they change that. Overall tonight, though, 70 degrees for your low. We've got some breezy conditions, going to slowly calm down towards 5 miles per hour and then jump back really quickly as we go into the time period where we've got the front and the storms moving through late overnight. Technically so late that it's early. We're talking about 3 a.m. or so. There's that isolated severe threat. 82 degrees for your high tomorrow. We've got storms that are going to be around in the morning. We'll calm down by about noon, going into partly cloudy skies by the afternoon, clearing up beautifully actually for tomorrow night. We'll have a small area of high pressure that's going to sit on top of us. 69 degrees for your low overnight tonight in the Tri-Cities area, 6 to 12 out of the southwest. Storms likely again. We're talking about a lot of water. This time around, we've got at least an inch or so of rain that's going to be falling with all these storms once it's all said and done. We're talking about now all the way to tomorrow morning, not just 1 or 2, but some of these storms could have a lot more water with them than just that inch we're expecting. So an isolated flood threat is something we're going to have to watch for in low-lying areas. 81 degrees for your high tomorrow, though, 10 to 15 out of the west, so it's going to be a breezy day, and again, by noon is when we should calm down at the latest, and then beyond that, partly cloudy skies, nice mild day, and as we go into tomorrow night, it's going to be gorgeous. Now, for the northern counties, you don't have that really big severe or isolated severe threat that everybody else does overnight. Still some storms that we have to watch for, rain and wind and some isolated hail as well, 66 for your low. And as we go into tomorrow, while everybody else gets to calm down in the afternoon, you really don't get to. 82 degrees for your high, and we're going to watch for those scattered showers and storms as we go throughout the afternoon as well. Now keep an eye on the model. We're going to start it tonight at about 8 o'clock or so. You can see these showers that are right on top of us. The main thing to watch for is how they slide all the way to the east as we set it into motion. So keep an eye on this. Those move on out of the area and kind of create a larger line. That's at about midnight or so is when our model is showing that to happen. Expect heavier stuff to be after that. The main line, though, you can see how it's still kind of flat across the area, kind of a northeast to southwest direction. That'll move on out of the area as well as we get into Sunday, which means after Sunday morning we clear up. And as we head into early Monday morning, that's where we've got the clearer skies during the overnight hours, helping us to cool down a little bit more. Then as we get into Monday, more showers and storms start to head our way. The next 7, got a lot of rain to start, but then beyond that, we're actually going to be quite beautiful. Sunshine actually all the way towards the end of the week once we get through the showers and storms on Monday and Tuesday.